The average life expectancy of an HVAC system is usually between 15 and 20 years, but a lot depends on how you treat it and the tech upgrades that keep coming out. So, here's the deal. If you want your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system to stick around that long, start by scheduling regular maintenance, like changing filters every 1 to 3 months and getting professional tune-ups once a year. Keep the outdoor unit clear of leaves, dirt, and anything that might block airflow, because clogged coils make your system work harder than it needs to. Don't ignore weird noises or uneven temperatures in your home. Those are signs something's off, and fixing small issues early saves big bucks later. When you're picking a new system, look for energy-efficient models with variable speed compressors because they adjust better to your needs and save money on bills. Also, think about zoning if your house has different temperature needs in different rooms. That can seriously up your comfort game. If your unit starts needing repairs that run close to half the cost of a new system, it's probably time to upgrade instead of patching it up. And don't forget to check the warranty on any new setup so you get some free maintenance and peace of mind. Finally, keep an eye on emerging tech like inverter units since they run smoother and last longer without cycling on and off all the time. One of the biggest mistakes people make with HVAC systems is skipping regular maintenance, which leads to dirty filters and blocked airflow that wear out parts faster. Another issue is ignoring early warning signs like strange smells or noises, which often means minor problems turn into major repairs if left unchecked. Lastly, many wait too long to replace old units, thinking repairs will keep them going when in reality, older systems can become way less efficient and actually cost more in energy bills and fixes. Upgrading sooner can save you money in the long run. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to HVAC installation and repair. It also gives contractors a solid platform to connect with potential clients and grow their business hassle-free.